This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to C Programming Lecture Series. Today, our topic is about data types. There are three types of data types. First one is basic data types, second one derived data type, and the third one is user-defined data type. We all know about what are the basic data types, like integer, character, float, are the basic data types are a primitive data types. Array, string, structure are the examples for derived data types. Come to user-defined data types. User can define his own data type in C programming. There are two user-defined data types. One is enum and second one is typedef. Enum means enumeration. That means which denotes a series of values. Like here you see there are some series of values: summer, spring, winter, etc. Automatically summer will be allotted with 0 and remaining terms will be allotted with 1, 2, etc. Here enum is a keyword, season is a name of the data type. Enum is a keyword and season is a name of the data type. This is the way we can do the programming using enum. If you allotted Sunday with 1 instead of default it is allotted with 0, if you want to allot with 1 you can do that, then remaining follows with 2, 3 and etc. Like enum, there is another user defined data type called typedef. Typedef is used to rename the existing data type. Here you see typedef unsigned int unit. That means unsigned int is the original data type, which will be renamed as unit. Now from now onwards for this particular program, unit will be a data type. So under unit I am declaring ing. Under unit data type I am declaring ing, I as 10, j as 20. So automatically unit also will become a data type. This is one more program using enum. Here if we see, enum is a keyword, day is the name of the enumeration. Now you see we are directly creating enum with data values like this. That means there is no name. That is called anonymous enum. This is the new concept I want to introduce for today class. Anonymous enum. Enumeration without the name is called anonymous enum. An example for anonymous enum is this. Enum with constant value. Suppose if you see enum week, Monday is equal to 32768, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? Suppose if you want to print that, can you expect the output of this program? What is the output of this program? Output will not be printed, which is error, because this is given as 32768, which follows 32769. Those values cannot be printed by normal integer values. So enum with constant, if you want to use, you need to use within a time limit of the integer value. Within a range of integer value. Sorry. Within a range of integer value, you need to use enumeration with the constant. Unlike here, you see Sunday is given as 1. Then automatically Monday will taken as 2. That is no problem, because this is within a range. This is also called as enum with enumeration with constant. The last one is also enumeration with constant, but this will not work due to the improper assignment of the integer value. So in this lecture, what I would like to conclude is there are 3 types of data types. First one, basic data types. Second one, derived data types. Third one, user defined data types. Basic data types are integer, character, float, and double like. Derived data types are nothing but array, structure, and string. User defined data types are enumeration and type. In enumeration, standard enumeration, and anonymous enumeration, and enumeration with constant value.